watching our new favorite movie, Ice Age 2. And we found ourselves quite comfortable on the floor this way.
You going for a walk?
Come here. Come here. Well, let's see you walk in them. Can you walk in my shoes? Those are Aunt Kelly's belts. And you'll be in trouble. No, no. You want yours on? Let's do it this way. How about we do it that way? Think that'll work?
You're going to get dizzy.
Oh, he wants it around it. Come here.
Boy, you're all dressed up now. Look at that boy. He's all dressed up.
What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Turn around so Bobby can see you.
Let me see you.
What was that for? You need some help? You need some help? You want it off? I'll take it off. That better? Huh?
Let me see. You can't make up your mind. You can't make up your mind. Wait a second. There we go. You talking to Grandma?
You all done? Talk to Grandma. Yes. Yeah. There's a horsey.
You all done?
Excuse me.
All right, what you looking for?
All done? Okay.
What are you and Grandpa doing? Are you reading to Grandpa? Read to Grandpa.
This is one of his favorite things, reading.
Tristan, read to Grandpa. Show Boppy the pictures and read to him. Tell him the story.
Who's that? That's a mouse. See the mouse? Okay, pick up those toys, boy. Yeah, boy. Pick up the toys. You're picking up the wrong toys. You're picking up the wrong toys. Get those other ones over there. Those toys. Come on. Tristan, get those toys. Tristan, help your daddy.
Hey, man. Help Daddy.
He's taking more out.
Hey. Help Daddy pick up toys. Help Daddy. Yeah, Daddy's picking up toys. Pick up the logs. Put them in the tub.
A terrific second half.
Help Daddy.
Started off so much
things she did in the preliminaries, and
There goes one toy. He's got one toy. He's a big help. What a big help. There goes. There's one.
Spot to dive in the individual platform at a USA Diving Station. The trials were won by Laura Wilkinson.
What a helper. What a helper.
After Athens was unsure whether she would continue, she did diving one more year, won the World Championships in 205, decided to keep going, and the big things.